If you're a contractor, you already know that insureds are going to probably need to get involved more in an insurance claim, property claim,
Mhm.
versus like say 5 years ago. Times have changed, and Chris is going to be here. He's here somewhere, but he's going to tell us a little bit more about what he sees on a daily basis, that when we get involved, how they treat us, or what the premise was before we got involved and what the contractor's going through. Chris, welcome aboard, my friend.
I'm here. Hello, everyone.
Ahoy.
Um, Ahoy. Yeah, no, that you bring up a good point, Taylor. I'm seeing this a lot. We work with a ton of contractors, commercial contractors, and
Yeah.
where this is the new trend is that sometimes the insurance companies aren't even, getting back to the contractors who are trying to make this insured back to pre-loss condition when they're going over like a, method of repair, scope, and pricing. And so it just creates a lot of delays, but we're seeing that more and more. And 5 years ago, because Taylor, you told me this, like that never used to be the case. Like,
Right.
you could talk directly to them. It was completely fine, but times have changed.
Right.
And so just being aware of that, obviously bring us involved. That's what we're here for.
Yeah.
But just being aware of that the insured more than likely will have to get involved.
Yeah, in one way or the other. And if like you, the contractor or their representative, if it's a GC, interior restoration, whatever it might be, if you're working with the insured and they're trying to advocate for themselves, which you have to do, if you live in
Mhm.
America, you are your best advocate, and that's the insured in this case. And if it's not going well, you can always reach out to us, bellatorclaims.com. What we recommend is reach out sooner than later. If you reach out and all the damage has been done and we have to try to revive a claim that is now almost dead because stuff
Mhm.
wasn't done properly, it makes it way more difficult for us. The last 10 yards of the claim, just like in football, is the hardest thing to get into the end zone, right? And so call
Mhm.
us before so we can set it up properly, run the proper offense to score. So bellatorclaims.com. Do us a favor. We're trying to reach 1 million insureds, contractors, property managers, commercial real estate brokers to empower insureds and contractors to be able to fight the insurance companies. So share this message with the world, like and comment.